Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is September the 13th, 2018, and I wanted to do a video today on an alternative to growing mums. So these here are marigolds, and I have actually used these in the borders of flower beds already in place of actually buying mums. I bought a pack of seeds. Usually, I think my seeds were like 20 cents that I bought. They were an American seed one. And I took just regular potting mix, planted the seeds in that, and transplanted them out into the garden after they sprouted and were coming up. And they gave lovely color in the front of the flower bed. Now, I did start them in the spring. I deadheaded them, kept them nice and fed, and they gave color the whole way in through fall. So they were a nice alternative to growing mums. Now, marigolds do come in other colors. They come in orange, different shades of oranges, different shades of yellows. They have like a reddish color with yellow. They have a white. Now, they don't have like your pinks or your purple colors, but I thought they were a nice alternative. Now, the flowers are different. They're a different texture. The leaves are different. Different petals, of course. And these readily reseed themselves, so they will be more than happy to drop their seeds if you do not deadhead them, and they'll come up next year for you. You'll probably have to thin them out because they can grow quite thickly from all the seeds that fall. You can see here, this is like a border here. This is in a container. And now if you don't deadhead these, they will stop blooming. So definitely make sure that you deadhead them. And the more that you cut the marigolds, the more they'll actually bloom. I've been cutting these for different projects. Use them in arrangements. And they have just exploded and bloom. So they're a pretty tough plant. And they're pretty easy to grow. So if you're looking for something that will give you color a whole lot longer throughout the season, providing that they are properly cared for, then I recommend marigolds. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.